The last consolidation method is to use the latest new features in Excel, which is called the Power Query. And this is considered by many to be the game changer in Microsoft Excel. Power Query used to be an add-in of the Excel 2010 and 2013. Now it becomes an integral part of Excel. Power Query can be found under the Data tab, Get External Data section. We can't spend days on this topic, but due to the scope of this course, I'm only going to scratch the surface of it, and we can talk in details in the next course coming up soon. Now, before we consolidate using Power Query, remember the question when I asked you at the beginning of this section, where do we need to put the statements? Do we put those statements on one tab or copy paste them into individual tabs like California 2, Florida 2? Either way, you will have to copy paste those statements into the new tab. And suppose you have 30 tabs to copy paste or 100 tabs to copy paste, that's still a lot of manual work. But with Power Query, you don't need to do neither. Why? Because all you need to do is simply get the copy of the files, and that's it, and let Power Query do the heavy lifting. And let me show you how. Suppose you got the 6 files for the 6 states, and you can save them in one folder that you specified. And done. In Excel, under Data, New Query, From File, click From Workbook. And then we'll go to the folder that has the workbook. Here you can click One, Workbook, and then you'll do the same for the remaining workbooks. Or if you have 60 workbooks, you can do the same 60 times. But that's not what we are going to do today. What are we going to do today is simply save our time and click a new query from a folder. That's why we specify at the beginning of this section that we need to save all files into one dedicated folder. Here it asks you to browse, or you can simply go to your folder, right-click the folder and say copy address as text, and then go back to the Excel folder path, Control V to paste it. Click OK. And Power Query pop up and showing within that folder you have 6 Excel files. And you can say combine them, load them, transform data, or cancel. Here we want to combine them. We can click the triangle under Combine. We can say Combine and Transform Data, Combine and Load, or Combine and Load To. Before we load, we need to transform the data a little bit. So let's click the first section, Combine and Transform. Next, it pops up. It says, for all files, it has one tab called Report. Remember, that's the one that we generate based on our previous macro. So we click this report. It from the first file. It shows the income statement, the state California, and revenue income statement. Let's click OK. Now Power Query pops up. Here you can see it has 3 columns. Source.name, that's our file name. So basically it stacks all the income statement one by one from the top to the bottom for all 6 states. Okay, the second column is for income statement, period, state, and the income categories which we need for this roll-up or consolidation. Last column is the numbers column. So we are going to start doing a little bit data transformation here. The data transformation we demonstrate here are very basic. which we are going to cover in detail in the course coming soon. Now I'm going to do a little bit data cleansing and get what we need. I don't need all these rows, so I simply click to remove these lines. And remember, these lines are actually not deleted. It will just not be shown in the data transformed. Now I can assign a name to column 3. After this, what we need to do is we need to get the state name from source.name. We can use some formulas to extract the state name from the first column, or we can use what I call the artificial intelligence function in Power Query, which is very, very powerful. Let me show you how. Click the first column and then add column from examples. This is the unique function that allows you to teach Power Query what to extract. So under column 1, we are going to extract California. Done. All of a sudden, Power Query shows you California state you want to extract from first 8 or 10 rows, and then Florida, and then Illinois, and New York, and Oregon. For New York, it doesn't appear, so we need to enter New York to correct that one. The remaining are correct already, so let's click OK. Some may say that's beautiful because Excel can learn what you ask you to extract and extract most of the words for yourself. Now once that's done, let's remove the source name. As I said, those data stay with the data source. All you've done here is simply hide those data rather than delete. So remove means hide. And once we got this, we can click Home, close and load. And then Power Query pops up a table for you that shows all the data in sheet 1. And from here we can generate a pivot table so that you can slice and dice. And this is the pivot table I generate from the data we just extract from the 6 files. And from here we add a slicer so that you can click California or click and press and hold Control several states. All of a sudden you can consolidate the numbers for the states that you specify, or you can click this cross filter sign or clear filter sign to clear all so that you consolidate everything. Is this cool? This is a lot dynamic and robust than the previous consolidation methods. And this is enabled by Power Query, which I'm going to show you in detail in the next course coming along. Okay, that's all for this consolidation section. Congratulations.